In this video I will show you how to fix this site can't be reached in Google Chrome. Let's start.
First of all, we need to install the VPN extension in Chrome. Go to Web Store. Search for VPN.
Choose a VPN.
Click on Add to Chrome.
Click on Add Extension.
Wait a while.
Click on the extensions icon.
Click on the pin icon. This is the VPN icon. Click this icon to use a VPN.
Go to the website earlier and then activate the VPN and reload the page. Done. Thanks for watching this video.